Hello, my shining lover. A story about two exemplary individuals who are assessed in their respective fields, bearing the emotional scar from the past life. They start on a journey of healing to discover their brightest slaves. The one season powerhouse whose name is Dugu Rionon is a rock bottom after being betrayed by her own artist Song Zio and other staff member. She is unwilling to accept the betrayal from her colleague. She vows then take a promise to make a comeback one day. She pours her efforts into the building up the Sida and gets the second shots in the business. Along the way, she encounters the boy whose name is Jimo, the sharp-tongued president of a company, and their unexpected meeting paved the way for a romance. And the romance between them blooms, but there is many things which comes in between them. After that, we have the Oath of Love drama. In this drama, we will see the Lindsay Zoa is a budding young stylist looking to start her career as she prepares to graduate from university. She has a handsome, loving boyfriend and even has a promising job in future. But then her world falls apart. Just before she graduates, her father is suddenly taken ill and needs to be hospitalized. She is forced to take his care, and now she said goodbye to the job she was hoping to take in future. It was her dream job. To compound the misery, she also breaks up with her boyfriend. But when she is really starting to feel sorry for herself, she meets the doctor whose name is Gu Wei, the doctor who is taking care of her father, who is treating her father. The Gu Wei has also had a rough time of her life in the past, and this rough time brings them together in this situation. After that, we have the drama Everyone Wants to Meet You. In this drama, we will see a beautiful romance follows an accomplished executive who falls for a pure and a kind-hearted girl. Being the general manager of a five-star hotel, work has always been the center of him universe. That is until he meets the girl whose name is Luzi, the only person who could bring him out of his workaholic days. The Zhang Min finds himself captivated by her kindness and her beauty, while she sees the gentleness behind him, cold and apathic fair. He is very cold, but he is very gentle also. And there is one more character in this who is a childhood friend of this lead actress whose name is Tolun. He also has a crush on her, but when they fall for each other, he become very betrayal and he get heartbroken, and he leave this both the friendship and her. But after that, this friendship and his heartbroken but comes in between of them. After that, we have the love equation. In this, we will say the adorable and bubbly girl whose name is Zhu Zia is a favorite among her students. A university literature student with penchant for detective novels, she spent her days lost in the pages of her favorite mysteries, always eager to find out what happened next. With such a devotee love for such stories, it comes as no surprise when she finds herself falling for one of the university forensic science major. His name is Zhao Fan Zhou, a seriously dedicated student in the forensic science department. He has a little time for anyone or anything, and he gives all his time for his studies. These two opposite people find each other falling in love, but he is cold and she is very kind. After that, we have drama Unrequited Love, a story about a girl's one-sided love for a boy that follows them until they bravely face their feeling for each other. The Lu Zi and Huanan were childhood playmates when they attended a wedding. Because of family problem, the Lu Zi, a girl, had been diligently focused on her studies, and she and the boy Hunan were not close in high school, though they both ended in the same university. Destiny brings them together on an excursion in a Red Canyon Valley. Their relationship develops as they start to hit it off. However, Ye Zhenyan and the Ding Xiongxing are the supported character, as well as complicated personal matter lead to all the sort of a misunderstanding between them. But then also their love doesn't become less. After that, we have the drama Something Just Like Things. In this drama, we will see the boy whose name is Don Ron is a son of a tycoon and e-commerce, and he is very wealthy. And the girl name is John Zizi, who comes from a broken family. At a young age, she was sent in his home to live together because they are financially very broken. They grew up together. However, their personalities are like heaven and earth due to their differences in status. Then their coincidence, they both gets into the field of a live streaming. The boy becomes her boss. Don Ron realizes that the industry is more complicated than he ever imagined. Meanwhile, the girl throws herself into her work, and unexpectedly, they both encounter the top star whose name is Zhang Zizang, who was her old schoolmate. Don Ron and Zizi encounter repeated problem at work and also in their life, and but then also they bloom the friendship and the relationship between them. After that, we have the drama Love is Sweet. In this drama, we will see the Jang Zeng is a girl who is allergic to the tears and has a double degree in economic and psychology. She is unrestrained and idealistic due to her family's superior background. After graduation, she works in the philanthropy organization where she pursues her dream. However, her father sudden accident leave her in a dilemma. Eventually, she decides to work in a top investment company to fulfill her father's death wish in MH. The MH is a company. She meet her childhood playmate whose name is Yeon Shuo. However, the current Yeon Shuo is no longer her gentle protector but her rival. In this company where the culture of a wolf instinct in rampart, someone is plotting against the both while someone sees her as an eyesore. However, with her kind heart, the both get attached to each other and they are like now they cannot be separated, but the worst comes between them. The drama You Are My Destiny. In this drama, we will see the two people from a separate world have the chance with encounter, transforming them into the one another destiny. The mousy and the unassertive girl whose name is Chen Jin meets the handsome and educated and charming Wang Yi, and who is hired to a large company. They mistaken each other's identity and they spend the one night stand together, and she gets pregnant. Family pressure arises from the pregnancy that has Ji Jin. The boy agreed to contract marriage with her. The child will once born, he will remain with him, and the Zuzi will marry to his lovable girlfriend whose name is Shi Ana. And the miscommunication lead to the tragic event. The heartbroken girls, the Jin run away from her and her feelings. From her feeling and the boy, where she meet her friend and art broker whose name is Dailan, who help her and her support. Following 3 years, he helped her. She established herself as a potter by the support and encouragement of the Dailan, and then Dailan also find himself developing the feeling for her. And now the separation from the Jin finds the boy maturing into the someone certain of desiring a family, and he gets separated from his girlfriend, but his girlfriend plot to bring him back in his life. Dylan remains constant with her support, hiding his feeling. Fate and business deal will reunite them both in the future. As their shared history and future possibilities converge, it as if they had never been apart. Then he realized that he had loved her from the first, and now he wants her back in his life, but she has not forgotten what he done in the past. And this is very complicated drama, but really amazing and one of the best drama in the Chinese. After that, we have the drama Falling Into Your Smile drama. In this drama, we will see the girl who is a student whose name is Tong Wo make two promises. First promise is to never be in a relationship with someone in the same field, and second promise to make up for the Chinese League of Legends. When Tong Woi earns her spot as the first formal female player in China's professional league, she catches the attention of an elite team captain. Facing doubts and inconveniences, she meets each challenge with her own persistence and her teammates' support. After much effort, what will become her promises, and she starts to fall in love with the captain, the boy who is also in the same field. The both of the promises has been seen like she is going to break, but she is don't want to break it, but also she can't help herself falling from him. Gone was this super amazing comedy, romance, funny, sports, and most romantic drama of a Chinese.